What's up, YouTube? This is your boy C-Spec Kurt, and what we have here is an awesome piece of electronic equipment. This here is the NightHawk Ax12 12-string AX Wi-Fi router, leading the new era of Wi-Fi according to NightHawk. All right, of course, this is a Netgear product, and before we unbox it, we're gonna look at what the contents are here on the side of the box. Comes with the NightHawk, of course, Ethernet cable, quick start guide, power adapter. Let's just go ahead and open this box up and get our eyes on something while we're looking at it. But I'm hoping I can bring you enough information where you can make the decision whether or not this is useful or beneficial to you in your arsenal of electronic devices in your home. So we're gonna pop this baby out. There you go, right there. All right. And of course we have the Ax12 Wi-Fi router. As you can see, this is monstrous. This is a beast of a router. Very beautiful. Looks like something that can just get up and start flying around your home. I mean, it just looks that unique. It's crazy. All right, so we have our router, as you can see here. Some more packaging material. Have these nice high gloss plastic covers to protect our router. I'm gonna just peel these right on off. Network key. That's your preset password, which is sitting on top of the Netgear router right there. I'll place that in the box. I'm gonna continue to pull the rest of this plastic off of my router so that we can get into the review and see what's popping with this thing. Alrighty. All right, so we have all the junk disconnected from our router. I'll sit my quick start guide off to the side. All right, it also comes with the Ethernet cable, as you can see here. I'll place that here. And it also comes with the power adapter, of course. Why does it have to be so big? I don't know, but it comes with the big old power AC adapter right there, okay? Pop that out of that bag right here. Yeah, big old block. Place that there. And that is all to it. Nothing else is in the box. Place that there. All right, guys. So this is what you get right here. You have the ability to fold it in like so. Slide it down and lock it in place. That's the only thing that moves. Now you have 8 beam forming antennas here, which is going to give you a very strong Wi-Fi signal. Beam forming, it's looking for that device. It's going to form a straight inline beam with that device in order to give you the highest speeds possible for Wi-Fi. And what some technical specifications here we have on the side. You got OFDMA improved capacity and efficiency, 1024 QAM, 25% data efficiency and faster speeds than the 256 router. Powerful 64-bit quad-core 2.2 gigahertz processor, a longer range with 8 high-performance antennas, beamforming plus for additional reliability, MIMO plus simultaneous streaming of data to multiple devices, 5, 10, 100, 1000 megabyte per second gigabit Ethernet ports, 1 WAN and 4 LAN. You have a dual gigabyte Ethernet port for port aggregation, which is going to allow you to put the power of 2 ports into one device, which is going to give you a faster Ethernet connection. As you can see, we have that here. You have these 2 ports here dedicated for that. And you also have a multi-gig 5G, 2.5 or 1G outlet right there for a high speed for a device. You want to make sure you get a very high speed, reliable Ethernet connection. All right. You have 2 USB 3.0 ports. It supports industry's highest standards, Wi-Fi security protocol, WPA3 personal, WPA2, WPA personal enterprise, automatic firmware updates, delivers the latest security patches to the router. VPN support, secure access to your home network away from home. And the system requirements is Windows 7, 8, 10, all that good stuff, Mac, Unix, Linux, works with all your major browsers, so you shouldn't have any problems there. It also comes with 24/7 technical support for the first 90 days complimentary of the purchase of the product. So any technical support you may need within the first 90 days is covered free of charge with the purchase of this product brand new. All right, so keep that in mind. You're gonna get 4 times better performance than an AC router because you have 12 streams Wi-Fi with up to 1.2 to 4.8 gigabytes for ultra-fast wireless speed, more Wi-Fi, more devices, allows efficient data transmission up to 8 devices at the same time. Of course, like I say, simultaneous 8 streams enables up to 4 2x2 devices to stream content at the same time. Maximized range due to the 8 antennas built inside of this baby here. AX optimized powerful processors that we spoke of earlier, 64-bit 2.2 gigahertz quad core, ensures smooth 4K ultra high definition streaming and gaming. Ideal for gigabyte internet speeds. Multi-gig Ethernet port, 5 times the wired speed of typical gigabit Ethernet ports. All right, so you have Smart Connect, you have the NightHawk app, you have AX Wi-Fi, supports all current Wi-Fi devices, backward compatible, and is voice controlled by Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant. So you can control your Netgear Wi-Fi network with simple voice commands. All right, so those are just some things that make the ease of use of this product a lot more simpler and makes it feel more modern age than your traditional or current Wi-Fi device. All right, so that's pretty much everything to know about this baby as far as getting it unboxed and looking at the exterior of it. We're just gonna pop open this quick start guide and see if there's anything I may have missed that could prove to be useful to you in your buying process or installation. All right, so this just gives you instructions on downloading the NightHawk app. Tells you what you can do with the NightHawk app. It goes over the rear panel, letting you know what all of what everything is on the back of the device, and it has the support information in case you should need some support. You also have your updating firmware instructions, which is included in the package. So guys, that's pretty much everything involved with the unboxing of the NightHawk Ax12 wireless router. As you can see, it has a nice built-in fan there. So I'm looking at finding this to be very capable, and I'm looking pretty forward to getting a whole lot out of this router. So I hope that you found the review somewhat useful. Well, more of an unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get this baby put up. So, all right, check it out, YouTube. As you can see, we are back. We have it installed. And as you can see, it makes for a great piece of home decor. You just have to find a nice location. You want to try to put it in a location where it's optimum for, you know, reception from downstairs and upstairs. And as you can see here, I have it placed right here at the stairwell. You know, my main focus is I want to make sure I got good reception here downstairs in the back room where I'm normally working at. And it serves a great, you know, it serves its purpose very well right here as well for upstairs. As you can see, it has this nice little lighting going on and everything, and has a little fan right there. I never hear it running, so I guess it's not overworked. There's the 2 lights down there at the bottom there. Maybe you'll see it good there. And there's your activity lights there. And this one I got hooked up in the back. I can get up there. Can't, but I showed you that already when I did the unboxing, as you will see earlier in the video. But yeah, this is a fine piece of art right here. Okay, so let's get back to the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. This probably is the last of the video. We unboxed it. This is it on the wall. And before we end it here, let's go over here and take a look at the application. Also, as you can see here, these do fold. You can pull it out and then fold it in. That's for storage purposes though. As you can see, there are wires that run into it, so it doesn't matter if it's out like this or in. It's still has 8 antennas sending out an awesome reception for your Wi-Fi, so keep that in mind. All right, so let's go over here and check out the application. All right, this is the NightHawk out. This application right here. There we go. So let's click on that. Very nice app, guys. All right, allows you the ability to connect remotely. If you're away from home, you can connect remotely. When you install this, get it connected, the application, it should assist you in setting up your router. It'll be like Netgear router or something like that you go to after you get it connected to the internet, and you'll be able to go in there and get everything set up. But some cool things I like about this is the device manager. It allows you to see every device on your network. Like, I can disable the Xbox for my son, whether it's wired or wireless. So it gives you full control. My wireless TV, I don't want to watch a TV, boom, I can turn off that one device. Every device, wireless or wired, is detected on your network, which is very cool. All right, so we go back here. You can check your internet speeds. This you can check remotely. You can be away from your home or at home. You can still check your internet speed. You can test your speed. Pretty cool function. I have Spectrum, so it does pretty good. I have 400 megabytes of speed. And you can see that's what my upload is, about 25. I think it's actually like 20, but I do notice that my speeds seem to be faster with this router for some reason. As you can see that, I'm gonna average around 470 something, I always do. But I'm only paying for 400 megabytes per second speeds. All right, so that ping is gonna average out, I guess, there we go, 19 milliseconds. So you can do that. It keeps a history. You got Wi-Fi analytics you can go into, let you know, like based on where you at in the house, where's your strongest signal at. You can test it in each room, and it lets you know the signal for each room that you tested in. Auto scan lets you know your Wi-Fi signal strengths based on, what's got the strongest connection. All that good information there. Let you know the recommended channel, the best channel to be using. And then, just a lot of good information. Channel graphs, a whole lot of information I'm not even used to seeing, So we can go back here. All right. You got guest Wi-Fi, you can turn it on or off. You got a traffic meter that keeps track of your data that's used on a daily basis, weekly, all that good information, average. Go in here and guest Wi-Fi. You can create guest Wi-Fi for your 5G and your 2G. And I think we checked traffic meter already. Yeah, we did. But yeah, guys, that's all to it. Very awesome. I mean, love this thing so much. It's made my home networking at home so much simpler. So hope you enjoyed the review. This is your boy C-Spec Kurt, and we are talking about the Netgear Ax12. I purchased mine at Best Buy. Awesome purchase, and I'm very happy with it, and I hope it aids you in your decision making as far as making your next purchase with your Wi-Fi necessities for your home. It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, and I'm out. Thank you.